Alright guys, it's Tuesday, it's the webinar day, 6 o'clock today, Australian time, 6 to 7, free, completely free. Down below on the subject of the video, I would say, not the subject, I don't know, just down below you have the link and you can subscribe for it, and I will be seeing you guys there. But now I want to talk about USD JPY, right? What's going on there? What's happening that these pair don't stop rocketing, right? So we are right now at 146.5 at the moment of this video, so it may change, you know, on when you're watching. But I've posted my personal analysis. What are my personal thoughts on USD JPY, on on US economy and Japan economy, on FinLogix. So if you don't know, FinLogix is a sister company that are basically a charting tool and a community for traders. So you can post your ideas there as well. If you prefer, you know, you can only read my ideas. You can use charts, different asset classes. You can use gold, commodities in general. You can use Forex, CFD in general. We have it there for you. You can draw trend lines, you can use indicators, change time frame. So it's a very handy platform that it's linked with from ACY Securities, from ACY Group, okay? So now let me talk a little bit about my predictions for USD JPY in the next 2 to 3 and 6 to 12 months from now on. My answer, straightforward, yes, it will continue to go up. The reasons is I've wrote it very, very beautiful here, so I'm going to read it for you all. So the Japanese yen has exhibited a sustained and prolonged weakness, right, as we can see since the beginning of this year. But now I'm anticipating, so basically I'm saying that they will continue much higher. My predictions for the next 6 to 12 months will be around 150, 155, all right? And then maybe we can get back to 150. So once we get back to, or once we get high to 155, we can get back to 150 as a pullback, as a profit taking. And any pullback right now at the market, I'm looking at a good opportunities to long USD JPY. You may be thinking, like, yeah, last week, right? I've mentioned on my webinar on Tuesday that I would be looking, you know, my personal take on USD JPY would be to continue long it. But then, you know, we had like a bit of a short movement in the end of the week. So this is just profit taking. There are moments in the market, you know, that you, like institutions, big players, even like normal traders, they have to take a bit off from their money. So they have to close the long positions. So they are being selling to someone else. And this is when the market reacts and pull back, right? So basically, this is a pullback. It's when the trend, it's you know, overstretched, and then people have to take the risk off, or maybe take the whole position off. So basically, all the long positions or all the short positions are taken off from the market and reverted to the opposite of that position. So it's, let's say, USD JPY, an example. People will be longing since beginning of the year. Now it's on an extreme. So what they're doing is taking profit. So they're selling the long positions to someone else, and then the market's reacting as a pullback. Okay, so what are the reasons behind it? It's pretty simple. US economy will maintain very stable on the rates. The one, you know, last week we had Paul talking, and he was pretty hawkish towards the monetary policy, and we can't say the same for the Bank of Japan, because they are on a NIRP, so negative interest rates policy, and this means that no one wants to invest on JPY, so people are basically selling Japanese yen at the moment. Alright guys, so that's it for me today. If you want to subscribe for tonight's webinar, the link is just down below, and I will be there. I will be happy to help you. I will be happy to answer your questions. If you have any questions on your trading, I want to help. I want to share my knowledge with you all. All right, so see you tonight, 6 to 7, and I see you in the next video.